Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Previously, let me introduce myself. My name is Henry Dian Prasojo and you can call me Henry. I am from Logistics 1A class. In this video discussion, I will explain what oil and gas logistics is.
A few moments later.
Logistics in the oil and gas industry is a highly specialized field involving the planning, implementation, and control of the efficient flow and storage of hydrocarbons. It is characterized by high capital intensity, global reach, and stringent safety standards. The primary objective of oil and gas logistics is to bridge the gap between extraction points, often in remote or offshore location, and the global consumer market.
A few moments later.
The logistics chain is divided into three distinct segments. In the one is upstream logistics, focused on supporting exploration and production. This involves moving heavy drilling equipment, chemicals, and specialist personnel to remote sites. The challenge here is the lack of existing infrastructure, and the two is the midstream logistics. This is the core of the transportation sector. It includes the operation of gathering lines, processing plants, and long-distance transport.
A few moments later.
The three is downstream logistics. Manage the distribution of refined products. It involves terminal operation, storage management, and the final delivery of fuels and lubricants to industrial and retail customers.
A few moments later.
To maintain a continuous supply, the industry utilizes four primary modes of transport. In the one is pipelines. These are the most efficient method for high volume, long-term transport. Pipelines are used for both crude oil and natural gas. They require significant initial investment but offer the lowest operational cost per barrel over time. In the two is rail transport, provides a flexible alternative to pipelines. It is particularly useful for transporting unconventional oil from new fields where pipeline infrastructure has not yet been built.
A few moments later.
In the three is road transport, utilized primarily in the downstream sector. Tanker trucks are the final link in the chain, delivering refined products from storage terminals to end user facilities.
A few moments later.
Storage is a critical component of the logistics strategy to manage supply and demand imbalance. In the one, strategic reserves. Many nations maintain large-scale underground of-tank farm storage to mitigate supply shocks. In the two, terminal operation. Terminals act as hubs where different modes of transport meet. They are used for blending products to meet specific market standards and for temporary holding before final distribution. And the three is inventory control. Advanced monitoring systems are used to track stock at rest and stock in transit to ensure that refineries and markets never run dry.
A few moments later.
Thanks for watching the deep dive into the arteries of our global economy. I am Henry Dan Prasojo and we'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.